Oh, you heard I'm getting rich? Yeah. Well, that's a fact. Remember, I ain't had shit, and a nigga had a jack. Used to run out with the Mac. Like what you got? Take 'em way, way back when we was being on the past.
What's up, YouTube? This your boy YSN AP coming back with another review on the Nike Adapt Earl BB. Earl stands for Electronic Adaptive Reactive Lacing. Adapt BB is Nike's first auto lacing basketball shoe. Their first time using the technology was on the Hyper Adapt, and it retailed at $700. And these right here, I pre-ordered these for $350 back on January 17th, and they came on Valentine's Day. And I think at $350 these are a great price. The last one was the Hyper Adapt was at a $700 price point, and I think that was way too much to charge for a shoe. But now that Nike has perfected it, the technology, and made it in a basketball shoe, I think this is a good buy for $350. It's a shoe and it's technology as well. You combine those two things, and hey, I think this has the capability to be the shoe of the year. But I'm gonna stop all that talking and let's get into the shoe. Here's the box it come in. Has the size at the bottom. Here's the box. Has the size at the bottom. Say Nike Adapt Earl BB. Let's open this bad boy up. Fresh out the box. Here's a look at the shoe. To me, the quality on this shoe is remarkable. I mean, it's shaped like a Kobe. And I read up on the shoe as well, and they said that the designer of the Kobe line, he also helped design these shoes, so you can see the Kobe resemblance in them. It's a real nice shoe. I think this is a mesh material at the top. Yes, it has the Earl in the inside, Electro Adaptive Reactive Lacing. In the inside, it has an L for the left shoe, with all the different colors that you can change it to on the side. So yeah, this shoe is on a whole nother level. Definitely a shoe of the year type of shoe for Nike. I think they already killed it, and it's only the beginning of the year, and this already qualifies for the shoe of the year. You might have also seen NBA players playing in them. I know Kyle Kuzma, Jason Tatum, and some others are wearing these on court, and these are really doing good. It's a great basketball sneaker. You can also use the app with this sneaker as well. I'm gonna go to it right now. When you first set it up, you have to sync your phone to the shoes through Bluetooth. And as you can see, you have your left and your right, left and right shoe. You have the colors on the side that you can change it to. It has the battery charge level of both of your shoes. And they also have like different settings as well. And it also comes with the charging pad as well. The charging cords to go to it. And here's the manual as well. The manual tells you about just getting started with the shoe, how you set it up to automatically adjust to your foot through the app as well, and it's available for the App Store and the Google Play Store as well. Overall, I think this is a dope sneaker, and I'm actually gonna, this probably be my shoe that I wear daily. Well, not mainly daily, but more like on the weekends and stuff. If it's nice weather, I'll be wearing them. They said these shoes can hold up a charge to up to 3 weeks, so I'm definitely gonna test that out as well. This shoe is amazing. It's just, I never thought there would be technology and shoes will come together to form something very nice, and it's very reliable shoe as well. Like Nike really put this together well, and I'm just amazed at it. I don't ball or anything like that, but I will be wearing these casually. I think they'll go good with joggers as well, just any casual shoe, just walking out, going to the store, or hitting the mall or anything. I think these are a perfect shoe for that. Let me know what y'all think about these Nike Adapt BBs. Overall, I think they're a dope shoe at a $350 price point. It's a little up there, but I think it's well worth it for this shoe. You can use the app with the shoe. It's just overall dope experience. Yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all think about the Nike Adapt BB. Let me know what y'all want to see next. The next video I got coming up is the Air Jordan 1 Couture. I think, yeah, I should be having the Couture coming in soon. So yeah, that's going to be my next review. Let me know what y'all like to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and hit the bell so you can get a notification whenever I post something. And I will be posting more on this channel. Just had to get my setup together, and I'll have a new setup coming soon as well. So thank you all for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up. Peace.